All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're here with the 200 ES forks, 1984 200 ES from Honda. Now, when it comes to disassembling these forks and rebuilding them, it is completely possible, but the parts are discontinued, so it's hard to find, right? We have 3 sets of forks, and between the 3 sets, it seems like we're gonna have 4 dampers that are still what seem to be okay, but we'll see, right? Now, when it comes down to doing this, you normally have the bottom on, and then you have this little 12 mil, I think it's a 12 millimeter? No, a 14 millimeter. So you have this 14 millimeter on the bottom. You take this off. Now, once you take that off, you're gonna have to hammer it, you're gonna have to grease it, you're gonna pull this off, and then you wanna take your boots off because there's this little bolt here, right? This bolt here is what holds in your dampers. So, I'm gonna take that out, and we should be able to start, again, right? We're gonna have a bit of trouble, but we should be able to start getting our dampers out. Let's see if we can give it a quick hit here, see what happens. Oh, that's completely stuck in there. This one, though, seems to want to come out already. Let's see here. There you go. So we got another strut, so that's number 3. Now this one doesn't seem to be in as good of a condition, but we do have the bottom part of the strut in the garage already, right? There's this little bottom portion which keeps it all extended. This doesn't seem to be on this other one here. So I'm assuming it's corroded so bad that it's just come apart and disappeared, but that's okay. That does not want to come apart. Get a bit of WD-40 in there, and got the spray 9 out. Spray this down into there. Should be able to get something going here. Oh man, this thing is completely stuck in there. We're just gonna have to keep hitting it a little bit. And don't be afraid to hit it. You really gotta hit it. You're not gonna break it, that's for sure. Unless maybe you're like some super strong guy who's capable of somehow breaking it. I'm not the strongest, right? So I highly doubt I'll have any chance of breaking this. Well, this one just doesn't want to come out right at this second, so I'm gonna let this soak overnight and come back to it. But that is the quick tutorial on how you disassemble the forks for 1984 200 ES or even the 1983. So basically the 83 and the 84 Big Red from Honda have the same exact forks and the same exact build. Just do exactly that and you're good to go. Have a good one, everyone. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.